Assalamu alaikum sir, my name is Mohammad Bilal Aslam and my university ID is F 2019-349011 and my topic of presentation is derivative operator on generalized algebra of BCK logics, and this is my whole presentation. I am going to introduce and each and every term from original paper. So let's see what is in the original paper. Sir, the topic of presentation is derivative operators on generalized algebra of BCK logics. This paper was written by Lavina Corina Colongo and Department of Mathematics, University of Levi. Sir, without wasting our time, I'm going to tell about abstract of this paper. In this paper, we define two types of implicative derivative on pseudo-BCK algebra. We investigate their properties and we give a characterization of isotone implicative derivative. The multiplicative derivative on BCK algebra with product are introduced and investigate as well. At the same time, particular cases of multiplicative derivatives are defined and their properties are investigated. Moreover, we prove that two good ideal multiplicative derivatives coincide if and only if their corresponding sets of fixed points coincides. Sir, next we will talk about introduction of this paper. The notion of derivations from the analytical theory was introduced by 1957 by Posner to a prime ring. So this is called a ring as a map D from R to R satisfying the condition. The map which satisfies this condition D into x plus y is equal to d of x plus d of y, and d into x multiplied by y is equal to dx multiplied by y plus x multiplied by d into y for all xy belongs to R. Since the derivative proved to be helpful for studying the properties of algebraic system, the notion has been defined and studied by many authors for the cases of lattice and algebra of fuzzy logics. The derivative on a lattice L meet and join was defined in 1975. It means that the notion for lattice defined in 1975. Here you can check that L called for L is represents lattice and V which is called meet and or called meet and called joint. So next we can check as a map DL from L satisfying the conditions. Two conditions must be satisfied. First condition is that dx meet y x or y is equal to d of x meet d of y, and d2 second dl dx and y is equal to d of x and y, and basically calls join, or x and d of y for all xy belongs to L. And the derivative on lattice defined by condition was deeply investigated in 30 number page. The concept of derivative on MV algebra was introduced by Al-Shari given on MV algebra. A derivative on M is a function d from M to M such as dx dot y is equal to d of x dot y. A derivative on MV algebra have been investigated in 32. This is called whole introduction, and we will define definitions now. We will discuss definitions now. Definition number 2.1. A pseudo-BCK algebra, a reversed left pseudo-BCK algebra, is a structure A is equal to A lesser equal to A implies that, and this is called all these notations where lesser equal to is a binary relation on A. This lesser equal to is a binary relation which we used here on A implies, and these are binary operations on A, and one I is an element of A satisfying following conditions will be satisfied, then this card is pseudo-BCK algebra. First condition is that x implies that y lesser equal to y implies that z, and binary operation x implies that z such that second BCK algebra x lesser equal to x implies y, and it also implies binary operation we are using here x lesser equal to x implies that y x. Third BCK algebra is that x lesser equal to x. Fourth BCK algebra is x lesser equal to 1, and fifth BCK algebra is x lesser equal to y and y lesser equal to x. Then x y, x is equal to y, means x when will be x is equal to y, then if and only if x less or equal to y or y or less equal to x. Basic algebra 6 is that x less or equal to y if and only if x implies y is equal to 1, if and only if x binary operation y is equal to 1. Since the partial order less or equal to determined by any of two arrows, we can eliminate less or equal to from the signature and to note a CD algebra by this notation. We can remove this sign from definition. Propositions, sir, we are going to discuss proposition algebra. Algebra, pseudo algebra, a type of type 220 is a pseudo basic algebra if and only if it satisfies the following conditions. Again, these conditions, if satisfied, then it is called an algebra, that is pseudo algebra. A pseudo algebra is said to be proper if it is not a basic algebra. This is the definition of proper pseudo algebra. When it is called proper, if it is not a basic algebra, if the poset A less or equal to is a meet similatis, then A is called a pseudo basic meet similatis, and we denote it meet similatis is denoted by A is equal to A and implies that it is called binary operation notation 1 if the poset A less or equal to is a join similatis. Before join we have discussed a meet, and now we are talking about join. Then A is called a pseudo basic join similatis. Then we will discuss about lemma 2.3. What is lemma 2.3? Let A, it is called pseudo algebra, be a pseudo basic algebra, then the following hold for all x, y, z's. If A is a pseudo algebra, then following condition must be satisfied. Hold. S implies that we have discussed before this. Proposition 2.4, let A is be a bounded pseudo algebra, then the following hold for all. These conditions must be hold. Lemma 2.5, in any pseudo basic algebra if the following holds for all x, y belongs to algebra. Pseudo algebra A is said to be commutative u1 commutative u2 commutative if x u1 y is equal to y u1 x. A commutative, you know very well, a commutative property is that you just have to change the place of an element, so then it is called commutative. Next we will discuss about lemma 2.6. Lemma 2.6 is any pseudo basic algebra the following holds, following properties must be hold in pseudo algebra. A particular case of pseudo basic algebra is the pseudo hoop, which is an algebra. A dot implies that following condition must be hold. It's called meet similatis. Implicative derivative operators on pseudo basic algebra. Definition, we will discuss about definition. Let A be a pseudo basic algebra mapping D from A to A is called implicative derivation operator of type 1 or type 1 implicative derivative operator or a type 1 implicative derivative on A if it satisfies the following condition for all. A first condition is that IDB of 1 means first property D from x to y is equal to x implies that D of y u1 D of x implies y, and such that like second property. Now we will discuss about definition 3.2. Let A be a pseudo algebra. A mapping D from A to A is called implicative derivation operator of type 2 or type 2 implicative derivative operator or a type 2 implicative derivation on A if it satisfies the following conditions for all. And this is also conditions must be satisfied. Remark, we will discuss about remark. Let A be a pseudo basic algebra if IDA imply from A to A defined by IAX is equal to 1 and IDAX is equal to x. If A is a commutative, then IDOP A is equal to IDOP A 1 and 2. Now we will discuss about proposition 3.4. If D belong to IDP of 1, A U IDP of 2, the following hold for x for all x y belongs to A. D1 is equal to 1. If D belongs to IDP of 1 A, then dx is equal to dxu, x is equal to dxu to x. And if D IDP of A to A, then dx is equal to x u dx x u to dx. x less or equal to dx, dx implies x. These are some propositions, and you can see the proof, only 1 to 3 lines of proof. Example, let a where the operator and on a set is equal to 0, a, b, c and 1 are defined the following. Here you can check the Calais table. Easily we can check the Calais table that if we join two elements 0 with 0, then it gives 1, means 0 0 with a gives 1. Two tables with two different binary operations. And here we can see the diagram, lattice diagram. Then A is a pseudo-basic algebra. Consider the mapping D1A from A to A, I is equal to 1 to 6 given in the table. And here is another table. You can check IDP1A is equal to D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and D6. And IDP of D2A is equal to D1, D2, D5, D6. Next we talk about theorem. Let A be a pseudo-basic algebra and let D from A to A, then D from IDP of 2 if and only if D of x implies that y is equal to x implies that D of y. D of xy, here we use two binary operations. Previously we have discussed these operations. Here many other examples you can see. Let example number 3.7, we will discuss example number 3.7. Let A be a good pseudo-basic algebra. I satisfy the given co-properties, that is the following conditions are satisfied for all xy belongs to A. Then according to lemma 2.4, if A satisfies given co-property, then x implies that y is equal to x bar implies that y bar, and x implies that y bar is equal to x bar implies y bar for all xy belongs to A. If we define distance function from A to A, then d of x is equal to x bar for all xy belongs to A. And again these are lemmas, remark 3.8, remark 3.9, and these type of many theorems and many corollaries are given in this paper. Hopefully I have given good explanation in the last. Thank you very much, sir. Allah Hafiz.